Even in the loudest eras, quiet moments existed. Armées marchaient, ordées et coed. Cannons roared, yet between commands. The mind found space. Awareness expanded in these fragments of stillness. Inner peace did not arrive through victory or power, but through attention. By noticing breath, posture, and surroundings, soldiers discovered calm. Silence became an ally, teaching patience, presence, and endurance. Amid movement and noise, observation offered refuge when chaos prevailed. Watching the land, the sky, and distant movements taught lessons that orders could not. Waiting slowed thought, allowing clarity to grow. Peace emerged not from escape, but from meeting reality fully. The mind learned steadiness while the world shifted. Noise lost authority when attention chose stillness, preserving energy. Redu signifie cultiver. Resilience in body and spirit. One marcher discovered. Stillness in repetition. Footsteps and breath became rhythm. Fatigue softened resistance, and fear diminished. Amid commands and marching, attention stayed internal. Later, in battle, smoke and chaos could not disrupt the calm habit. Presence guided action instead of force. Silence traveled inward, independent of environment. It shaped humility, patience, and balance, proving inner peace exists within. Regardless of circumstance or noise, battle amplified sound and urgency. Yet, fleeting moments of suspension appeared. Standing still between volleys, awareness sharpened. Panic loosened. Peace was not absence of danger, but a conscious internal choice. Calm replaced frantic reaction. Strength shifted from aggression to restraint. Presence offered control where none seemed possible. Even amid chaos, humanity remained. Silence endured within, quietly, teaching balance, focus, and steadiness. After retreat, quiet landscapes restored perspective. Open fields softened urgency. Victory and defeat lost their sharpness. Without orders, the mind rested. Striving revealed itself as weight. Letting go created space for observation. Wind, light, and motion returned naturally. Life continued without pressure. Awareness deepened, simplicity replaced tension, and peace emerged, not through accomplishment but through acceptance. Clarity and calm arrived without force, when silence extended. Emptiness appeared first. Thoughts wandered freely, unanchored to fear or command. Identity loosened from roles shaped by conflict. Peace revealed itself as capacity rather than condition. Effort softened, engagement became lighter. This quiet balance carried beyond battlefields into daily life. Awareness matured, reaction slowed, listening deepened. Calm replaced urgency, and presence replaced struggle. Shaping life with steadiness and clarity. Dawn arrived gradually. Light replacing darkness. Colors softened, sound diminished, tension eased. The mind mirrored the sky's transition. Peace aligned awareness with the present moment. Nothing demanded correction or acceleration. Stillness supported gentle action. In early light, understanding formed without force. Silence became companion, guiding perception toward patience, balance, and quiet confidence. Freedom required attention, not withdrawal. When the noise finally faded, What remained was simplicity, breath, awareness, and choice. Peace existed as alignment, not escape. Life continued with uncertainty, yet clarity endured. Silence became strength, presence became direction. Inner discipline transcended history and conflict, offering calm without withdrawal. In the absence of noise, essentials revealed themselves quietly, patiently, awaiting only recognition. Peace endured, steady and unshaken, within the mind.